doing? Dan Hernan here with Powerhouse Power Wash, and today I got a cargo truck rack I'm gonna put on my pickup truck so I can haul ladders on my pickup truck instead of on my tote on my trailer. I'm gonna go ahead and do a unboxing on this, so if you're interested, I'm also gonna put the link for this down in the description. I got it off of Amazon, and you can go ahead and get one too. So let's get her open. This is cool. If you want to bolt it on, you can bolt this one on, or you can clamp it on. So I'm just going to clamp it on. So this is the bolt on instructions. If you know that's something I might do in the future, if I'm happy with this ladder rack, I might just bolt it down. Or you can do the clamp option. These two built. It really wasn't hard to build, you know, this. Now I just gotta clamp it on. All it is 3 Allen nuts, like adjustable Allen bolts, not nuts. One up top, or sorry, one there, one up there, one up here, and one up here. I'll show you on this one. So you got one here, one there, one here, and one over there, and then that's it. So now either you would bolt it on, or you would clamp it. So they give you the clamps with it and everything. So I just gotta clamp it on now. The only downside is not that I park my truck in the garage, but it's gonna be too tall. So even if I want to, I'm not gonna be able to now.